Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Choice. You can see those beautiful and stylish short hair for black women. Yeah, I love this haircut. You can see it really features that shaped size and back with a longer hair on top. You can see how the hair can be styled into variety of look. This haircut on your screen is perfect like for those who want a low maintenance style that is chic and sophisticated. You can see the style really involves the twisting small sections of hair and allowing them all to dry before unraveling them to create the fine coils. You can see the styles will really look great, and is a haircut that can be styled in a variety of ways. So let you guys to just savor the style we have for you guys. This hairstyle is a haircut that will bring out the efficacy of styles in your short hair, and the hairstyle really works best with hair that has some natural texture. Maybe if you have the natural wave or coils, it will really add volume and movement to your hair. This hairstyle will really bring the make your hair look more dynamic, and it's good to use some beautiful color highlights sometimes to help to accentuate your features and complement your skin tone and bring out the best in your haircuts. You can see the hairstyle today we have for you guys is a flattering hairstyle that will work on different face shape. Like it can work for the those that have the oval face, for those that have round face, or you have the oblong face. And it's always important to choose a style that will always complement your face shape. You can see it's really a great option for women with heart-shaped face, and this haircut is a haircut that is essential in always bringing out the efficacy of your style. Don't forget that regular trims and shaping can help keep your haircut looking fresh and stylish. So let me just let you guys to see what we have for you guys.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much.